Hello, friends. As we always bring you some new articles of home decor, so today we are bringing you the French wooden floors. And French wooden floors are different from other types of floors. They have some geometrical styles, and sometimes they are in the form of wooden tiles and showing separate parts of tiles in the floor, or sometimes they are in the form of panels. But French flooring is a beautiful part of the home that gives just a luxurious, clean, and it gives an immaculate look to the house. And and they are durable because they are made with durable wood and wooden panels and tiles chosen for French floors are different in designs, and they are a spectacular feature of French homes, or wherever in the world you are living and you want to construct a French home. You can have these tiles in your home. And we tried to collect a large variety of these wooden tiles, so you can choose from these tiles. And this large variety is for different rooms. Definitely you can use them in your drawing rooms, and in your living room, in your dining room, and in your bedrooms, in your washrooms. They're just amazing. They're in most of the time they are in wood colors, and they can go with different type of furniture and different types of wall colors and different types of ceilings. And their tiles too are just amazing in their texture and color. They are just beautiful, and you can choose these styles to make your home look beautiful. And even their brown color is styled in such a way that it doesn't make your home look smaller. And this variety is just amazing to choose from because uh, this is a large variety. And some of the tiles are in complete rustic form, or in raw wood color. The two are just amazing. Some are in different wood colors which are made and styled, but they all are beautiful. And if you like our stuff and video, please subscribe our channel, and please like our video, and please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, so whenever we bring some new stuff for home decor, you can be the first one to watch our videos. And thanks for watching, and thank you so very much for staying with us. Give it a thumbs up, and thank you.